Do you want people just to stop for 1 second to take a look at your social media posts? Well, check this out. This is going to help people stop and watch your social media posts. Take a look at this.
Everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse.
This was all done on my cell phone using this really cool app that I just stumbled upon a couple of days called BinkSeek. I think it's from the makers of KindMaster. So enough of the jibber jabber. Let's get straight into what you can do with this app. Again, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Patrick Levar. I am a mobile filmmaker and photographer. I help motivate people and teach them how to shoot better video on their cell phones. So if you're into that, or if that's something that you would like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Enough of my jibber jabber. Let's jump in and see how I did this. Alright guys, so we're inside the app here. Now quickly you can see here we have like these animations playing with the photos, right? Super cool, super fantastic. If we scroll up here, you can see there's different types here. We got special days, racing, bombs away. But you also notice here there's a little time here next to it. It says 16 seconds, 23 seconds, 13 seconds, 20 seconds. So they're all different times. So keep that in mind. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign. I'm going to add in my photos. Now, I took some shots outside with my phone here, with my Samsung Note 8, and I took them in portrait mode, Then after that, I took these photos into the Polar app, quickly edited them in the Polar app, and then I jumped into Canva app and made this quick little like card here with my name on it. So I'm going to use that first because that's going to be like my intro card, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a photo. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a stunner shot right off the back. Boom, we're going ahead and drop that on them. And one more shot here. And then we'll end, how many shots is that already? That's 9, and then we'll end here with 10. So I got about 10 shots. Let's go ahead and import those in. Now, you quickly see what's happening here. They're animating to the music, which is really cool. But the power of this app is to be able to bring in our own music. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little note sign here. I'm going to scroll down to artlist. Again, artlist is what I use for my copyright music. I can use this music on anything from YouTube to movies to music videos, whatever. It's all good. I am not going to have to worry about copyright issues. I'll have the link down in the description if you guys are interested in it. So I'm going to choose this song here, Curious George. This is going to be the song that I'm going to use. It's got a little bit of vibe going to it. Now you can see we got the animation kind of happening, right? And you notice we got these notes here. See? Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and change it up though. I don't like that pattern. I'm going to change it up to something a little bit more crazy, or a little bit. There's one I'm actually kind of like here. It's called Love Again. I really like this one. This is really cool. We got some lens distortion going on, and a little bit chromatic aberration. But if I quickly look here, you got these notes here. If we click this 8th note, it's gonna go faster. Boom, 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 boom. Quarter note's gonna go half that time. Boom, 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 and then our whole note right here. Boom, boom. Boom. A lot longer. And then this one, I'm not too sure exactly what this one does. I haven't figured it out. If you guys do know what this one does, down in the comments, let me know what it does. I would love to know. So I'm going to end up shooting for this song because it's a little bit upbeat, but I want the photos to be able to be seen because on the 8th note, they're just kind of going by a little bit too fast. I want to go right here in the middle. I think this is good here. And I think for this photo shoot here that I did, I'm going to end up using Max Drive. No, hang on. Where is it at? I want this one, Falling Down. Because, again, with the way that I color graded the photo, the white border just really helps, helps out with the whole vibe and everything. So I think that's what I'm going to use on this one here. Now, if you look to the right here, we got this little TikTok box. If I click it, it switches it to horizontal. Now we're at HD 1920 by 1080. But I shot all my photos in portrait mode, so it's cropping them off. And then if you tap it again, you got Instagram 1:1 box mode. Again, I shot my photos in portrait, so I'm going to go back up to here to the TikTok one, and this is what we're going to use. Now, if you do have KindMaster, you can bring this project into KindMaster and then continue on with your edit. I do have KindMaster, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it exactly how I want it here. We're going to go ahead and hit save. And then from here, we can choose our video quality. Boom, we want the highest. Come on. We want the highest quality possible. Now, When I used to do After Effects, it would take a couple hours to do something like this, guys. I was super excited when I saw this app and I jumped on it quick because to do this really is going to help boost your social media. You're doing TikToks, you're doing Instagram stories. This is really going to try to get them to stop scrolling just for, a few seconds. Yo, stop scrolling. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, you can continue scrolling. And that's what it's all about, guys, getting people's attention. So let's go ahead and check this out.
Everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats.
Boom. This is super tight, guys. Super, super tight. If you really want to just give your social media a boost, definitely download this app. All right, guys, super easy, super simple to do. Download this app. Again, we got 3 seconds to grab people's attention and you want them to stop scrolling. This is one way to kind of help you do that on social media. Again, if you're finding any type of value, guys, in this video, I do have an email list down below. You can jump on there. I send out little weekly emails, behind the scenes BTS stuff, all kinds of other jibber jabber and goodness that you don't get here on the YouTube channel. And again, if you guys like this video, smash that like button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you really enjoyed my content, buy me a cup of coffee, links down in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Keep filming. Patrick Levar. Peace.
I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse.